Market experts accept Axie could reach $41.70 by 2025. Bearish Axie boundlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $9.53. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. Be that as it may, what makes Axie limitlessness novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie vastness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion and ubiquity. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a customary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reenactment game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie vastness. Axie boundlessness essential examination. The group behind Axie boundlessness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie endlessness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them entirely variable and much of the time extraordinary and novel. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very uncommon, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, as opposed to specific other stakeable resources. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie limitlessness biological system utilizes 2 essential tokens, smooth love mixtures and Axie boundlessness shards. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders take part in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the biological system asset ought to be appropriated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the reproducing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie endlessness is expected to permit Axie partner support in some stage improvement decisions. Axie boundlessness current cost. Axie boundlessness is as of now worth $11.91 USD. Axie has moved 0.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $132,487,914. Axie boundlessness is as of now positioned 52 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $938,564,007 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Axie boundlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2023. Axie limitlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $17.87. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $16.68 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $14.30. Axie endlessness value expectation 2024. In 2024, Axie endlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $29.78. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $23.83 and a typical exchanging cost of $26.21. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $41.70 and Axie might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $38.12 and a low of $35.74 in 2025. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Axie boundlessness effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $53.61, with a base cost of $47.65 and a typical cost of $50.04. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $61.95 by 2027, with a base cost of $59.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a greatest value worth of $65.52. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $73.86. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $77.44. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $71.48. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $83.39 and a yearly cost close above $89.35 in 2029. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Axie Vastness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $95.31 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $101.26, averaging out at $97.69. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. And so what does the future hold for Axie boundlessness? The reality of the situation will